Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone 15 keeps dropping calls. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining about after buying the iPhone 15 they are facing an issue of calls keep dropping and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone 15 keeps dropping call. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to check your signal strength. Poor signal strength can lead to dropped calls. Check the signal strength indicator on your iPhone's 15 to see if you are in an area with weak coverage. If possible, move to a location with a better reception. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone 15. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues, which are causing your iPhone 15 to drop calls. So guys, you have to do is simply open the settings, then scroll down, and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software update, you have to do is simply open the software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after this, then you have to do is simply check for call forwarding or call waiting issues. Sometimes issues with call forwarding or call waiting settings can cause dropped calls. You have to go to the settings, then go to phone, tap on phone. If you have installed the same, you can access through the phone. Tap on it and check these settings to ensure they are configured correctly. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to reset your network settings. To do this, you have to simply open the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhone 15 keeps dropping calls. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.